Subscribe to Automation Studio channel and press on bell icon to get new notification video in your inbox.
Hi guys, this is Praveen. I welcome you in Automation Studio. In this video we will see how to install Python on Mac. So in this video we will see in details how to install Python, what are the requirements in order to install the Python over on the Mac. So we'll do in details. So here is the agenda for today. So obviously Python installation, and first we will install the brew, how to install brew in Mac, and then we'll install Python, and after that we will see on pip installation. So pip3, why pip3? Because we are targeting Python 3 over here. So for Python 3 we will install pip3. So pip3 is nothing but a Python package installer. So whenever we need to install any libraries in Python, let's say selenium or any open source library for supporting in automation framework, or in order to achieve some goals in programming, so pip is the installer which will help us to download those open source libraries, and then we can use it in further in our code. So that is the use of pip. After that we will install Pycharm. But so Pycharm is a IDE for Python coding, and like similar way like we have Eclipse in Java. So for Java, so we can write Java coding in using Eclipse. So similarly we have the Pycharm ID, which is we will use here community edition, which is we can use it freely. So we will see that part also. So let's start with one by one, like brew installation, then Python, then pip, and after that Pycharm. Now first open the command prompt and navigate to brew.sh site, and just copy this line, install homebrew, and just paste over here and hit enter. Now it will start downloading the brew, so it will take some time. So it's done now. I'm gonna clear the command prompt, and then I will just type brew and hit enter. So you can see brew is installed now. Now let's open command prompt and check whether we have Python installed or not. So we're gonna type here Python -- version. So it will tell you the version of the Python, which is 2.7 we have currently. We don't have Python 3. So let's type Python 3 -- version and check it out whether we have Python 3 installed or not in our machine. So we don't have the Python 3 installed in our machine, so let's install it. So what we need to do, we need to navigate to the browser, and here type install Python for Mac and hit enter. Let's go to the Python official site and navigate to downloads, and here you can see we have downloads available for all the platforms. Like I'm looking for Mac, you can look for Windows as well, and you can download it for your PC. Now it gets downloaded, so I'm gonna double click on this installer. So this is the Python installer. Just click on next, and agree for the terms and condition, and just here give the fingerprint or whatever the password if it will ask for, and it's very simple to install. So here is the installation is going on. So I think we are done with the Python installation. Yes, we are done. So it is asking whether you need to delete or keep, so I just pressed on keep. Now if you will hit again Python 3 -- version, then it is giving me Python version. Now let's check about the pip3 also. So pip3 -- version, so pip also we got installed with this. If you want to download the pip, you can say brew install pip3, then it will install it, but here it is already installed. So let's go to applications, and here the Python is installed. Let me expand it. So these all things got downloaded through the Python installer. Now we're gonna download Pycharm. So open browser and type install Pycharm for Mac and hit enter. Just click on the official site, which is from the JetBrain. It will show you the two installers, professional and community. Go for community edition, which is free. That is getting downloading. So just wait for the download complete. Now it is completed. Let's click on show in folder and just double click on the installer. So it's unpackaging it. Now just drag and drop Pycharm into application folder. So it will make a copy. So just wait for that. Now it's done. Now you can hit command and space and type Pycharm, or you can go to launchpad and see whether Pycharm is installed or not. Yes, it is installed. Click on that. Click on open. Privacy policy, please accept it. Then don't send. Here it is asking for have you used it before or not. So just proceed with that, like I never used it, I'm a first time user. Here just select the light screen, so I prefer that. Just move ahead. I'm gonna click on that, so let's select it and move ahead. Just move ahead and that's it. Just click on create new project. So that's all about the installation of the Pycharm. So whatever the things we have done after installation, it's just a one-time activity, so it will not gonna ask you every time when you will launch the Pycharm. So it's just a one-time activity. Then how the Eclipse or other IDs work, it will work in that fashion only. Whenever you will launch it, it will ask for the project, or you can create a new project and you can start working on that. So this is how to set up the Python and Pycharm over on Mac. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries, please comment. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, and yeah, be safe and take care.